In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your garage door opener. This video will cover the Chamberlain and LiftMaster models 893LM, 891LM, and the 893 Max. This is what it looks like. If your garage door opener looks somewhat like this, you should be able to follow along with me here. All of them take a single CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around, feel free to check out the link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Now, to open this thing up, we want to pry it open. You can see there's a little opening right here along the seam. You can actually just pull the clip out and use that, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. Just insert it in, twist, and you can kind of work your way down just so that it opens up nicely. And now we have access to the battery. Inside here, you can use your fingers or a flathead screwdriver to just gently push the battery out. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Make sure your new battery is a 2032. And when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side is facing up and just slide that into place. Push it all the way in. And now we can just put this back together. So go ahead and line up the two halves and just squeeze it back together. You can see the light now comes on, and that's all it takes. You should be good to go to use your garage door opener. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment, and I hope you have a great day.